How are you today?
I'm very good.
You're very good, nice. And just for the test, can you tell me your name?
My name is Phúc.
Very good. So, here is your picture. In my picture, there are magazines on the table.
But in my picture, it has a cake in the table.
Okay, nice. In my picture, the man in the green jacket is holding 2 glasses of juice.
In my picture, the man had a green jacket holding a basket of vegetables.
Basket of vegetables? Are they vegetables?
Yes.
Oh, they look like fruit to me. So, in my picture, the woman at the doorway is holding a brush in her hand.
But in my picture, the girl in the door holding a scissors.
She's holding scissors. Okay, good job. In my picture, the weatherman is wearing a blue and white stripy shirt.
In my picture, the man is wearing a blue and white striped shirt.
Okay, blue?
No, red.
Okay. In my picture, the clock is round and the time is 5.
But in my picture, the clock is square and the time is uh 5 5 5:30.
Absolutely, nice. In my picture, there are 2 boxes. One is full of toys, the other is full of books.
But in my picture, one is a toy and one is empty.
Okay, nice. Is there a train in your box of toys?
Yes.
Is it in the box?
No.
Where is it?
It outside.
Okay.
It outside. It out the box.
Okay. And in my picture, the woman at the desk is working on her computer.
But in my picture, the woman is calling to her friend.
Okay, nice. Sweet. That's the end of the first task. Now let's move on to the second one. Okay, here you go. So I'll start off by asking the questions, then you ask me the same questions back. So, what is the name of Sarah's favorite restaurant?
The name of the Sarah's favorite restaurant is Rainbow.
Okay, nice. And what does she like eating at Rainbows?
Sarah likes eating pizza in this restaurant.
Okay, nice. And where is this restaurant?
The restaurant is in Hill Street.
Hill Street. Okay, nice. What time does it open?
It opened in 30 minutes.
At 12 or at 12:30?
12:30.
12:30. Okay. Is it cheap or is it expensive?
It's very cheap.
That's very cheap. Okay, nice. Now you can ask me some questions.
What the Robert's favorite restaurant?
Robert's favorite restaurant is called the Black Cat.
What Robert like eating in this restaurant?
What does Robert like eating? He likes eating pasta at the Black Cat.
Where is the restaurant, Robert?
Robert's restaurant is on North Street.
What is the time open?
The opening time is 12 o'clock.
That is cheap or expensive?
It's expensive.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, that's the end of that part. You ready for the next one?
Yes.
So, this is a story called The Brave Teacher. I'll give you it. I would like you to talk about each picture and make a story. Okay?
One day, the student Nick and Anna see the cat in the window.
Mm-hmm.
But the cat is in the tree and it's very scared.
Mm-hmm.
So teacher go to the tree and climb it. She take the cat down the tree. The cat is happy and the student is happy.
Okay, nice. Cool, perfect. Let's move on to the next one. So, tell me, so I'm going to ask you some questions about Discover 2, okay? If you don't know what to answer, just tell me and we'll move on to the next question, okay? Can you tell me about mammals as a group?
The mammal don't lay egg.
Don't lay eggs?
It-
Absolutely.
It have only an animal don't have an egg.
Mm-hmm.
The mammal has many
You want to give me some examples of mammals? What
Yes.
kind of animals?
What this we human.
Yeah, so humans are mammals.
Cat,
Mm-hmm.
dog,
Yeah.
and tiger. Oh, and whale.
And whales, yeah, absolutely. Always remember the whales. So the next question is, what did you do last Sunday?
I went to the Uncle Ho Museum.
Ah, you went to the mausoleum. Very cool. Did you have fun there?
Yes.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Did you dress nicely? Okay, always good. So tell me about your last summer. What did you do last summer?
Last summer I went to Ho Chi Minh City.
Hey, what did you do in Ho Chi Minh City?
I go to travel.
Okay, around Ho Chi Minh City?
Yes.
Okay, so you went, did you go to the Mekong? Ah, okay. Can you tell me something you saw there?
So I don't think it.
Yeah,
It's
many
very,
trees.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's very far.
it was very long ago.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So the next one is, what are the three states of matter? I can help you with this question. So everything has three states depending on its temperature. Yeah. One thing that changes is something we drink every day. What would that be? What do we drink every day?
Water.
Yeah. Can you tell me the three states of water? Okay, so when water is at normal temperature, do you know what we would call the state? Begins with an L.
No.
It's a liquid. It's okay, you weren't in the class for that point. And what happens to water when it's very cold?
It become to ice.
It becomes ice, absolutely. And do you know what we call it? What happens to water when it's 0 degrees? Do you know the word?
I don't know.
It freezes, yeah, or solidify. And what about when we heat up water? It's okay. So when water is very cold, it's solid, we call it solid, ice. When it is water, it is a liquid. And when it's very hot, it becomes steam, which is a gas. Yeah, you know this in Vietnamese, I'm sure. Just telling you. So next, how is traveling now different from long ago? What can we use to travel now?
Plane.
Plane, absolutely.
Plane and car and bike, bus.
And how would you describe this type of transport? Is it fast? Is it fast? Okay. And what about long ago?
It's a bike.
Bike, yeah. What else?
On foot.
On foot, absolutely. And how would you describe this type of travel? Would you say it's fast?
Only it's slow.
It was slow. Yeah, it was slow. And so let's talk about subtraction, not addition. When do you use subtraction in everyday life? So subtraction, for instance, 4 minus 1 equals 3, for example. Can you give me a time when you use this in your life?
When I study math.
When you study maths, absolutely. That's one good example. When else?
When I go to breathing and sell, and he give me money.
When he gives you the change?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, for sure. And then how do you get along with your friends? So how do you have a good relationship with your friends?
In school.
In school, yeah. How do you do this?
I play.
You play? Yeah. Do you play in a nasty way? Do you play? Are you kind?
I play sports.
Play sports? Yeah. Would you say you're kind to your friends? No. Would you say you're thoughtful, so you kind of think of your friends? No? Okay, no problem. Moving on. What are some rules at your school?
Doesn't use phone.
Don't use phone. Yeah. Okay. What else?
Don't go late.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else?
Protect the school.
Okay, protect the school. Cool. And let's talk about our planet, so Earth. What can we do to take care of our planet?
We don't throw the trash in the water or in the road.
Nice. Any other ways you can think?
We don't use many the don't use many.
It's okay if you don't remember. Can you give me an example of the word you're trying to? So don't use many. Give me an example of what you're trying to say. Like, do you mean electricity?
What?
Electricity?
No.
Like lights? Yeah.
Solar.
Okay.
Solar and wind.
Okay, nice. So renewable energy. Okay, cool. And can you give me an example of a type of art?
Oil painting.
Oil painting.
Origami.
Yeah. Origami. Yeah.
Drawing.
That's a good amount. That's a good amount. What tools? What do you usually use when you make origami, for example?
I use a paper, square paper.
Okay, perfect. Do you remember what you do with the square paper?
I fold.
Fold. Yeah, absolutely. Nice. Lamp, that's the end, right? High five. Say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Okay, cool. Whoops, sorry.